Scientists use animals to learn more about health problems that affect both humans and animals to assure the safety of new medical treatments. Some of these problems involve processes that can only be studied in a living organism. Scientists study animals when there is no alternative and it is impractical or unethical to study humans. Fighting disease, in both humans and animals, depends on understanding biological processes which are sometimes very subtle and complex. Large parts of animal and human biology work in the same or in very similar ways, not just in vital functions such as breathing, digestion, movement, sight, hearing, and reproduction, but at the level of basic cell processes too. That means we can study how bodies work by running experiments in animals that would be impossible in human volunteers. And this is where most research animals are used. Studying how healthy bodies function often reveals what is happening when things go wrong. Many very complex biological systems such as nervous and immune systems follow the same basic organization and function in all animals. That means even simple animals can be used to study these systems. A lot of what we know about brain cells comes from studying the giant squid. For example, microscopic nematode worms have helped in our understanding of brain diseases such as Alzheimer's, which causes dementia. New medicines require testing, because researchers must measure both the beneficial and the harmful effects of a compound on a whole organism. A medicine is initially tested in vitro using tissues and isolated organs. But legally and ethically it must also be tested in a suitable animal model before clinical trials in humans can take place. The animal tests provide data on efficacy and safety. They not only identify potential safety concerns, but also determine the doses which will be given to volunteers and patients during the first human trials. Testing on animals also serves to protect consumers, workers, and the environment from the harmful effects of chemicals. All chemicals for commercial or personal use must be tested so that their effect on the people and animals exposed to them is understood. Thanks for watching, Blog Reader.